Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to outline text or pretty much any shape in GIMP. I'm going to write some text to the screen now, but I'm going to change color into something different. Okay, let's go with yellow. Text example. Let's make it bigger. And let's make it bold. All right, this looks nice. Going to move it a little bit. So in order to outline this text, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make another layer, and this layer is going to be beneath text layer. So I'm going to select by color, and I'm going to select from this text. Now go to select and grow selection. I'm going to grow it by 3 pixels. All right, now select this underlayer, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some other color, let's say something like between pink and red, something like this, and I'm going to fill this selection but in underlayer. You see? Now select none. What else you can do? You can also move this text a little bit in order to get desirable effect. And if you want, you could also add multiple underlayers with multiple colors. So that's all for this episode, guys. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!